Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini AI not working. Is Gemini AI not working on your phone or computer? Don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it within a few simple steps. First, check your internet connection. Gemini AI needs a strong and stable connection. For that, swipe up from the top right corner of your phone. This will open Control Center. Here you can switch Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you can also turn on airplane mode for the 10 seconds and turn it back off. Next, refresh the page or restart the app. If you are using Gemini AI in browser, reload the page. If you are using the app, close it completely and reopen it again. This fixes many small glitches. You can also log out and log back in to your Google account. Sometimes your season expired and sign back in can fix the problem. And make sure your Gemini app is updated. Go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and make sure your app is updated. An outdated version of the app can cause this error. If Gemini still isn't working, restart your device. This clear memory issues and helps the app run better. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.